दोस्तों नमस्कार, मैं इस वक्त दुबई में हूँ और दुबई में भी एक बहुत ही ख़ास कार्यक्रम में यहाँ पर पोएट्रिक हार्ट एक अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर का कार्यक्रम होता है। उसमें बहुत सारे लोग हैं, करीब 16 भाषाओं में कवि आए और उन्होंने अपनी रचनाएँ यहाँ पर पढ़ी। और एक और बहुत ही ख़ास शख्सियत को हम आज जान पाए। सुचेता सतीश जी हैं, मूलतः केरला से हैं और दुबई में रहते हैं। उनके नाम 2 वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड्स हैं। आइए उनसे इनके रिकॉर्ड्स के बारे में जानते हैं और कुछ और चीज़ें जानते हैं। आपका बहुत-बहुत स्वागत है।
नमस्ते।
प्लीज़ एक तो आप सबसे पहले ये बताएँ कि जो आपके नाम वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड्स हैं, वो क्या हैं?
I have 2 Guinness World Records in my name, with the grace of God. One is for singing in 120 languages for over 7 hours and 20 minutes, and the second Guinness World Record is for the most languages sung in a concert for 140 languages, which I set by singing for over 9 hours, and presently I sing in 150 languages.
Okay. Can you sing any song in different languages?
Okay, sure.
एकला चालू रे.
Ekla Chalre, okay.
Yeah.
Well, I got to sing Ekla Chalre I got to sing the Arabic version of it, and this was the first time it was translated into Arabic by the very famous poet Dr. Shihab Ghanem, and I got to sing this in Arabic and Bengali. So, Jodi tore dak shune kyo na aashik tabe ekla chalo re idha lam yastajibu lak fasriya sahibi wahdak ekla chalo ekla chalo ekla chalo ekla chalo re tabe fasru wahdak fasru wahdak fasru wahdak fasru wahdak.
अच्छा, आप प्लीज़ ये बताएं कि जो जिस जर्नी पर आप ये निकले हैं, इसकी इंस्पिरेशन कैसे शुरू हुई आप में? तो बहुत कमाल की चीज़ है।
Well, I'm 19 years now, and this multilingual singing journey began at the age of 10 with a Japanese song, which was my first foreign language song. And that started off with our Japanese friend, Dr. Mayuko Horiguchi, from whom I happened to listen a Japanese song. And because I really liked that song, I went ahead and learned that particular song. And that's how this multilingual singing journey began. And then after that Japanese song, I learned, a Tagalog song, because we have a lot of people from the Philippines and the UAE, where I'm based. And then an Arabic song, and the numbers just kept increasing like that.
Okay. So how would you recount your journey, this beautiful journey, and how do you see this in a larger perspective?
Well, I think I've just been blessed. When I'm asked how I learn these languages, my answer, it's always that I'm not sure of it. I think it's all the blessings of God and my family. I've always believed that for any talent or passion that you need to carry forward, you need to have a strong support system. And I'm very blessed to have my parents, my father Dr. T.C. Satish, who is the driving force, my mother Sumitra Ali, and my brother Dr. Sushant. We're all, it's everybody's hard work, definitely. And I think I'm just blessed with the ability to learn languages. And I'm really passionate about languages. So right now I've also started learning to speak the languages. For example, Turkish, and I've started learning to speak the language on my own, because languages are something I really like.
In career-wise, what are you doing now?
Well, I'm a second year student of digital media and communications.
Okay.
And I'm also a playback singer. I've sung in 2 Malayalam movies already. My next film is a Bollywood-Hollywood crossover film. It's a song composed by Monty Sharma sir, which is due for release soon. So I'm also a performer. I've done my own solo concerts in UAE, India, Bhutan, and I've also been releasing songs in different languages.
And how do you see this beautiful land of UAE in enhancing your this quality?
I've always believed that one of the main reasons I've been able to, take this passion forward is because I live in the UAE. Because here we have people from, I think, over 200 nationalities living here. So you get to hear so many different languages. You get to meet people who speak different languages, and Dubai is the melting pot of cultures, like we all say. So UAE is the main reason I've been able to do this.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We are blessed and we enjoyed it.
Thank you so much.